Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can send a story to someone on Instagram. So if you have seen like a story on Instagram that you like and you want to share it or send it to your friend on Instagram, here is exactly how you can do this. Very easy and simple. What you want to do, guys, you want to click on the story. So after you click on the story, if you can see here at the bottom right, as you can see here at the bottom right, here this airplane button. You want to click it, this arrow, like you see here, guys. I'm going to click it again. This is it. Click it, this airplane, click it, and then here you want to search for the friend that you want to send the story to. You can search here for their name, or you can just select them here, like choose your friend here. For example, I'm going to send this to this friend. You can write a message here. It says write a message. You can just say, watch this story, I liked it so much, I liked it, or anything like that. You can just explain to your friend what this story is about, and then click send, as you can see here. So the moment you click send, then the story will be sent to your friend on Instagram and he will be able to see it. But keep in mind that you can't send this story to people that you don't follow back, or they don't follow you, like only your friends on Instagram. You can send it to anyone, but they will have to accept you, so that they will see that story. Now if these are your friends, then they will be able to